Hello, my name is Juan Morales, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about myself. Now, first, I want to start off with some of my background. I grew up in a military family, so I moved around a lot. Rare, I know. But right now, I live in Texas, and I'm currently starting a family. So, I've also been involved with small businesses for years as I went to college and got degrees in industrial design and liberal arts. I worked with a company that bought and sold used restaurant equipment. I worked with a company that offered computer automated design services. They were pretty cool. They actually got involved with the prison system and offered training, which was really interesting, I thought. And most recently, I worked with an RV consignment company. So let's see. To continue with the background, I'm currently involved with my local DSA. I've done some graphics for them. I've helped organize as well a little bit, and I'm passionate about working with and helping the working class. Something that I've been more interested in lately, especially over these past few years, looking at the socio-political problems that are facing America. And to that end, I'm pursuing a degree in economics currently. So now that we've talked about my background a little bit, I can go into some of my career goals. So primarily, I want to assist in the American worker co-op movement. I've been inspired by some of the works of Professor Richard Wolff and the company, the Mondragon Corporation out in Spain. I think worker co-ops are a fantastic way to give capital power to the working class. I want to help small businesses create strong networks. I have several friends that are trying to start or have started their own small business. I've worked with small businesses and startups. I think it's incredibly important to keep that culture alive and strong. And I want to organize worker movements. I've done that a little bit in kind of every job that I've done, but I want to get more adept at doing that. And finally, most importantly, I want to start my own business and coalesce all those ideas together eventually. Now, how will JTC-301 and a degree in economics help me with that? I anticipate a few ways. First, by gaining tools to effectively research and communicate economic opportunities that I might find. And secondly, how to network and commune with community members and businesses. It's incredibly important. I still keep in touch with some of the businesses. It's going to be even more important going forward to know how to network effectively, how to describe my ideas, how to implement them and help businesses change for the better, and how to organize effectively, which is incredibly important in starting any kind of business or any kind of movement. But more than just that, I anticipate that that'll come into play in my personal life as well, which brings me to my next point. What I think I'll walk away with personally. Personally, I want to walk away with a better understanding of communicating with strangers, of course. And I also think I'll walk away with incredibly constructive peer feedback on how I communicate in general, which I can already see in the comment sections of the various videos. It's invaluable, really. It's real world knowledge of how people are really reacting to the way that you speak or communicate. But yeah, that's a little bit about me. Thank you for listening, and I hope and look forward to working with you all in the future.